Hello watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial I will guide you how you can manage your Google Forms properly, because many times what happen, you create 20 Google Form, 40 Google Form, and then it's very difficult to search your particular form and it will be time consuming concept. So here I guide you how you can manage your Google Form properly. So our first step is we will see how you can give proper name to the Google form. Suppose here I am having some Google form. So suppose I open this file, or if you are creating the new file, then in the upside you just click and you can set the name of the Google form. Suppose the name is ABC of 3, and once you set that, you can check that you just and you observe your file name is changed. Your file name is now ABC of 3. So in this way you can change the name of your Google form. And I'm telling you one more option. From here also you can give the name, or you can change the existing name of the form. So whenever you create the new form, suppose here I have created already one form. So what happen, you just click on this three dot and click on the rename option, and this is the easiest way to set the name. Suppose now my name of the form is XYZ. So this is what the name of the form. And suppose you don't want this form, you have to just remove, because I suggest you, if you don't want the many forms, if you want only whatever the forms you need, whatever the forms you need currently, so I just suggest you have to keep that form in your account. Suppose these are the unwanted form for me, so what I will do, I will just click on three dot and click on the remove option. So here also I can select this and click on the remove option. So these two options, rename and remove, these are very important for giving the name, or you can say then deleting form. So here you learn how you can give the name and how you can delete the existing form. Now we will move on the next step. In the next step I tell you how you can take the printout of the Google form. So once you open the form, just click on three dot and select the print option, and from here you just select the printer copies whichever you want, and then at the end you click on the print option. Your Google form will be appear here. I just go into the back option. Now here I am selecting the other form. For example, I am selecting this 7th standard form, and as I told you, you click on this three dot, select the print option, and now here you can observe this is the actual Google form. You can see here the options. You can select the more setting also. So here this is the all setting related to the print, and whatever the numbers of copies are there, you can see downside here total 6 copies are there. So at the end you can just select the print option. So that's it. And here at the last step I will guide you how you can download, how you can do the downloading of your form. Suppose I am selecting this form. So you just click on the response option, and here you just click on the plus icon, and here you just select the file option for downloading your file. So just select that and click on download Excel option. Then your file will start downloading. Then you just open this, as you already know, just click there, and then you can just click on here enable editing, so that you can do the changes, and then whichever the path you want, that you can save there. Just click on the save as. Suppose here I am saving in the downloads option, so you just click there and you just save that. So in this way you can download, you can say answer key, and in that answer key the questions also come. So these are the steps that I told you, how you can download it, how you can give the file name, how you can remove the form. So all these for the today's class, and I hope you understood this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.